Today is the first day. We've spread out fresh food and set up the camera. Before starting a 24/7 live stream, we need to get the birds used to this spot first. Will the birds actually show up on day one, or will it take some time for them to adapt? The passing clouds look beautiful. The birds must be wary. A feast like this is rare in nature. Their instincts tell them it might be a trap, but in time, they will accept it as part of the forest. I'm curious to see how this unfolds in the coming days. Well, no surprises there. They're flying around, but they haven't come down yet. It's hard for birds to find food in winter. They need the energy. So I don't think they'll be able to resist for too long. I expect them to come by tomorrow morning because there are plenty of them around.